Enfin, mademoiselle, ma chérie. Ma chérie, ma chérie, ma chérie. Is this sitting? You want me to carry you on the water?
Thank you.
Take it easy, take it easy. Oui, c'est moi. Easy. Don't fall. Easy.
Okay.
Easy. Yes. Ocalistic. Wait. Is it sitting well?
Yes, sitting well. It's sitting well. I'm okay. Sitting well.
Is it sitting?
Yes.
Let you sit fine.
Believe me, sitting well now.
What is it? Look at where you look at where you hid this thing. You know it's not.
Parlez-vous.
What is it?
What have I done wrong? Why are you touching my breast?
Take it!
What?
Take! You want me to take it?
What is it?
It is what you look at how you hit Jason.
Parlez-vous, next time you touch my breast,
in between this man.
Never touch my breast. You know what I'll do to you? What is wrong with you?
Did I do anything wrong? Did I do anything wrong?
You want breast? Come and take breast.
He was looking at me.
Did you suck breast? Did you suck your mother's breast?
No, my mother's son is not like this. My mother's son is not like. My mother's son is.
Is he touching me?
Okay.
Parlez-vous, I touch breast.
I will not. It's not. I didn't mean. It was Jesso. You were hiding Jesso in between this one. That was what I was.
Touch breast now. Touch it. Take now. You want breast? I mean, take it.
You want me to touch breast?
Touch breast.
It's tempting, no. Don't tempt me like that. Because if you tempt me like that, I don't know what I'm.
Touch breast now.
You know my hand is autonomous. It does its own.